So this one has been out for a minute. The Xbox wireless headset.
This headset really packs a punch. The unboxing experience is a nice but short one, as it only comes with some paperwork, the charging cable USB-C to USB-A, and the headset itself. The main feature on this headset is of course the turning ear cups for volume. The left ear cup lets you mix the game/chat volume and has a stop in the middle, so you can always find a way back to the 50/50 mix, which is really helpful and thought out. On the left you can find the on-off button, which also doubles as a Bluetooth switch button when holding it, and then the mute button on the small mic. If the mic is muted, the small white LED is turned off. You can always hear yourself through this unit, which is also great. Another awesome and unique feature is the fact that it makes the same sounds as the Xbox itself. It then also acts as the on-off button for real, as it turns on the console once the headset is on, which once again can be annoying and cool at the same time. The headset can be adjusted easily once it's off your head, but not as easy when it's already on your head. When you're adjusting it, you can feel these gears, making it even easier to adjust it equally on both sides, just like the Turtle Beach, but also holds its position really well. Now the ear cups are interchangeable, but not with a fancy magnetic system, rather just the old-fashioned way. The ear cups are really comfortable too. It's a spongy, foam-feeling material, which moves back to its original position much faster than the memory foam does, without feeling any less comfortable or soft. I would even say that these are the most plushy ear cups out of the ones we've featured so far. The top also features that same material, but a stronger variant. I did experience some irritation on top when gaming for long sessions, but after taking a small break, that was all gone. It looks as if it's all around the headband here, but that's just design, as the plushy part stops here. The headset is also really flexible. It means that this headset is also suitable for any sized head. Because the mic is smaller than normal, it won't be in your line of sight, which is superior in my opinion. I can still wear my glasses with this headset without any issue. The material doesn't produce sound when rubbing up against the temples, and I feel like the ear cup is so soft, it will not really matter how thick the frames of your glasses are here either. Even though the headset does not come with a USB receiver, the connection is still superb. No connection issues whatsoever, and I did not notice any hiccups on that department. But let's be real, this headset is made by Microsoft. When talking sound, this one has a really good bass, but a dull bass, if that makes sense. When you hear bass on this headset, you can hear it without that much detail. If I were to rate it, I would give it a 6.5 on the cinematic bass scale. The battery life was advertised as 15 hours, and I got around 17. Awesome that you made it to the end. Maybe you're interested in these videos too.